In newer Ricoh Copier models, the procedure for entering service mode has been slightly changed. To reset error codes, you need to remove a small cover on the side of the control panel and press the appropriate keys as demonstrated in the video. Only after this step will you be able to enter the service password and proceed with a reset, adjustments, or any other service operation you may need. However, in today's video, we're focusing solely on resetting the Fuser error, as this code can occasionally appear without any real cause. What's your experience? Has the Fuser error code always indicated a real issue, or did a simple reset solve the problem in your case? Let us know in the comments how it went for you.